Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll tap into mindfulness as a way to redefine and manage our unmet expectations, easing into more flexibility and acceptance. Settle into a comfortable seat. Gently close your eyes. Straighten your back from your sitting bones all the way through the crown of your head. Relax your neck, your shoulders, and rest your hands on your thighs or knees. Now, turn towards your breath. As you deepen and lengthen your inhales, allow your exhales to help you soften. Each time you breathe out, let go of physical tension. Let go of your to-do list. Let go of judgments. And call yourself fully into this moment. And now, let your breath return to an easy, natural rhythm. Notice your spontaneous inhales and exhales. And stay with your breath just as it is. Can you observe the quality of your breath right in this moment? Drop any sense of judgment and instead become curious about your breath. Notice its length, its texture. Observing your breath's temperature. Even seeing if your breath has a particular taste. And as you continue to let your breath move freely, keep following the natural ebb and flow. And become aware of your attitude whenever you catch your mind wandering. Consciously choosing an open, curious, and compassionate approach as you feel yourself getting distracted or trailing off into thoughts. And even if you have to do it 1,000 times, gently and lovingly, bring your awareness back to your effortless breath. Meet whatever emotions arise with the same kindness and curiosity. Greet any physical sensations with openness and compassion. Whatever shows up, notice it with a gentle awareness and come back to your breath time and time again. Now, soften your attention. Whether we're working on a project with our peers, moving through our regular routine at home, or enjoying a well-deserved vacation with loved ones, expectations will inevitably come up. We might expect something of ourselves or others, projecting our invisible wants and beliefs into the future. And though some expectations may seem realistic when they're set, more than often they aren't. The thing is, whether we're conscious of it or not, we can easily become attached to our expectations and face major disappointment and frustration when they aren't met. As our meditation practice develops, so does our capacity to become more aware and mindful of our expectations. We learn to pay attention so that we can hold a mirror to our expectations, becoming more understanding and more objective. As we start a new project or set a new goal, mindfulness can help us set more realistic and attainable objectives from the get-go, initiating clear communication and flexibility that will serve us throughout the process. The more mindful approach also allows us to better deal with unexpected circumstances, broaching inevitable changes with emotional intelligence and willingness to accept things as they are, reassessing and redefining our expectations along the way. So the next time you find yourself disappointed or angered by unmet expectations, take a moment to stop and breathe. Once you've acknowledged your emotions, you can respond to them rather than just reacting. Check in with yourself or those around you. Establish a clear and open dialogue before you move forward again with a more realistic and open-minded attitude. Now tune into your breath once more. Become aware of your body, making small and deliberate movements with your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring mindfulness into your day, and we'll meet back here tomorrow.